Welcome to 5-Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can post automatical tweets in your Discord server. So for that you have to open your web browser and you have to be connected into Discord. You have to be logged in into Discord and you have to log in into this site mee6.xyz/login. You have to log in into this site with Discord. So click on login with Discord. As I already have logged in Discord, that's why my account is directly logged in. Then here you have to click on authorize. So it will show all the server list in your dashboard of MEE6. So you have to select on plugins here. Then you have to find social accounts, connectors. Click on that. I think you will find the Twitter here. So let us check. Let's click on add to Discord and select a server. So it is bringing me back to this page. So you can do it from the home page. Let's click on continue. And give permission by clicking on authorize. So the thing with MEE6 is that now it requires to buy their subscription to get the tweets posted on your server. So in this way you cannot do anything. But if you have the money to buy a subscription, then I would say buy a subscription of them if you are a frequent user of Discord, because this is a very helpful bot which you can use in to do many other things. So currently you have to pay for the Twitter integration to work, but there is another way I can show you guys. So for that you have to go to this website ifttt.com. So here you have to click on create. I'm not going to be able to show you the whole process, but you will understand it, no problem. I will explain. So you have to click on if this add, and here you have to search for Twitter. Once the Twitter page come, you have to click on new tweet by a specific user, and you have to click on connect, and you have to be logged in into your Twitter in here. So I don't have a Twitter account, I don't use Twitter. So all you have to do is authorize the app, and you will find an option where it will say to paste webhook link of your text channel where you want to publish the tweets automatically. So I'm gonna show you guys the process by sharing pictures, but how you can webhook get webhook link, I'm going to show you guys that. For that you have to click on that channel, text channel, where you are where you want to put tweets. So click on edit channel. I want to put the tweets in here. So after clicking on edit channel, you will get here the integration. You have to click on create webhook, and here you can name it anything and click on copy webhook URL. You have to copy that, then in this website, in a particular tab, you have to paste the webhook. Once you connect the Twitter, you will understand yourself. Then you have to paste this link in another tab, another window, which is called body. In that body window, you have to paste this whole thing. But in here, username, you have to put the username of that particular Twitter account you wanna get those tweets from. So I'm gonna include this in the description box, and I'm also including the pictures of that IFTTT website. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.